cash accumulate. Soon as we came in the game, all these niggas they imitated. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it. Put the iron on them if a nigga my opponent. My code 500, I don't put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on it.
Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, good morning. It's early as heck. It's like 4 a.m. and I'm up. Yo girl up because she got a flight to catch. Turn up. I'm about to go to New Orleans or whatever. I can tell y'all right now, it's not really a secret. This trip ain't really a secret. Plus, by the time y'all see this, I'm already be back because I can't and could not post anything about the trip because it's a surprise happening on the trip. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to be the one to fuck it up. So I couldn't say nothing really about it. But when you guys see this, I'll already be back. So which means the surprise would have already occurred. Okay? But yeah, really that's it. I just wanted to come to y'all, do a small little intro. Do y'all love this hair, bitch? Yes. Okay, AliExpress. Girl. About to have me out there looking like... But no, okay, this is like my little intro. Just want to say what's up, let y'all know what's going on. But let me concentrate because I really don't want to forget nothing. I tried to pack so little. Like, y'all know last time, if y'all remember, I took a big bag to Miami. But this time, I was like not trying to check a bag. I wanted to carry on. So this is my little bag down here. You know how hard it was for me to pack this bag? Like, this bag is packed to capacity, okay? But anyway, let me finish getting ready because I need to be up out this house in like 45 minutes. All right, peace out. Hello, good morning. I'm finding you.
You're traveling this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Congratulations. Where you going?
New Orleans. I made it inside of the airport. I brought me some socks this time, y'all. I was not stepping on that nasty ass floor this time around. Last time I forgot to bring me some socks with the cousin. I forgot to bring me some socks and I had to step on that dirty floor to get through security. But today, I was ready, okay? Look at my little bag tag. Come on, focus. That shit cute as fuck, huh, nigga? Got BD in the building.
Are you recording?
He thought this was a real picture. You know I be vlogging. Him and this. Take it like gulp of it. Chug it. He got pancakes and a breakfast burrito. He's out of line.
Yes.
Yeah, put two of them in there. No, why would they give you syrup? I mean pancakes with no syrup. She didn't want to let us use her employee discount, but it's good. We're like, we hungry, can we use your discount? She's like, girl, fucking no, bitch. Oh my gosh, but he saved me with some lotion because my feet was ashy as fuck. My feet was ashy. We was gonna start a fire with that shit. Anyway, we about to start boarding, y'all. Turn up. Look at her. She's fucking ready. She got 5 blankets, a pillow, a hoodie, a motherfucking.
It's cold.
Everybody's just walking on this thing that's moving, you know. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. I'm just gonna stand here and take the ride.
We in Utah right now.
Yeah, not in Louisiana.
I said Utah. That's my ghetto ass cousin. He cool though. He ain't never left Slauson Ave. But we finally got you. Oh my god, that's gonna be funny though. Do you edit your own stuff?
I showed it.
I do that too. I might.
My Jamba Juice, so watery. Look at that. Look at that.
It's like,
Yeah, my shit.
What is that?
Jamba Juice, you fucking up. We want a refund.
some water juice.
I'm about to take it back right now. Like, this is so nasty. Can
Look
I
how much
have
you
my
drunk
money
out
back?
of
We need a life supply.
That's not important.
Yeah, nigga, you asking the wrong questions. Let them know. The wrong motherfucking questions.
Call you back.
Who is that? Who you on the phone with?
I'm on the phone.
Who you on the phone with?
Oh, my G.
She got bulls.
At least he checking in on you. Did your other one check in though?
So we on our second flight or whatever. We got all this space. We out here living. They didn't show up, so we can stretch out. We got all the leg room, dog. Niggas got window seats, turn up. Literally got a whole row. I know, pretty much. It's like 2 rows ahead of us with nobody. Well, it's just one person, but we could lay it all the way down.
Just in a few moments, we'll be showing you that safety demonstration video you've also put forth. Once the video does conclude, though, we will be announcing if you have any safety-related questions. Thank you.
Okay, so first of all, they don't have seat covers here. You just kind of press this button and then this changes. I'm kind of in the middle of that's tight as shit, and how often does this one paper come around? Like, how, and you know, I have questions, but that is tight. So we made it. Me, my little brother. Yeah. Y'all never met him, but here he is. Look at him. Don't be on my brother's shit. Don't be trying to holler, okay?
Hello.
He annoying.
Beer for no reason, y'all.
Okay, y'all out of line.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna walk away. I don't want to hear it. I'm so excited. I haven't seen my brother in like
A year.
no.
It has been a year.
I thought
Actually,
it was like
a year
2.
and a couple months. No,
What
I was out there with Uncle Larry.
Oh yeah. You was. The last time I'm thinking about was Grandma Pam.
Nah.
My bad. I'm about to give y'all false information. I was about to give y'all false facts. I was about to say 2, almost 3 years, but it's only been a year and a half. I'm the older sister. He's my widow brother. Okay. I'm so excited to be here. I'm just everywhere in 2018. Okay. I'm on some gumbo. I'm on some good ass motherfucking. Just everything. I'm on everything, dog. For real. I'm hungry. Ooh.
I got it a little warm in here. But when I go to sleep,
It be cold. You turn on the air. Ooh. Yes. Turn up. Let me see the view.
you're
one
welcome,
time.
by the way.
Thank you. Okay. Look at the view. We all the way up. Brother came in handy with the room though. We lit. Y'all probably see my reflection more than anything, but you get the idea, right? Look at this fool in the back. Oh my gosh, my little brother! I'm so happy to see you, man. It's time to turn up.
Yeah.
Time to turn up.
Yeah.
Time to turn up. Look at the bathroom, y'all. Classy. Okay, shower. This is the kind of shower you come with bae. Okay, y'all been this thing butt naked. Okay, turn up, all glass. Ooh, so fancy. Okay, I'm about to get right in there. But first, yeah, girl, gotta take a shit. All right, y'all. So I'm about to get myself changed so then we can hit the scene with the gangsta lean. Okay? BRB. Ain't no fucking lotion in there, bitch. I'm about to be ashy as shit. Okay? Like, I really thought, you know, it was a little travel kit or whatever. I thought it had some lotion in there. It is a travel kit. It ain't no lotion in there. I'm feeling ashy. I'm gonna throw some sandals on, but you know, I ain't trying to get sick. Girl, cover them damn toes. Alright. I say my, yeah, get them, because they cute that fuck, nigga. They cute that fuck, nigga. Okay. They have made me cover up because I took a shower. And it's, some kind of weather outside. So this girl got the coverage. Perfect, there you go. Alright, come on, my niggas. Come on, my G's. Come on, my day ones.
Let me see how you
Come
lift
on, my
it up.
hitters.
Oh.
Do I need this key? This me?
Yeah, you can grab it.
In case I don't want to hang out no more.
We gonna leave you.
Shit, got one key in. Oh, okay, wait. I forgot my glasses. Go ahead, I'm gonna meet you there because I know I can't see.
Man, you tripping. So we finally got to the hotel room. We out here. Yeah.
Why we can't ride this road?
That is so pretty. I'm trying to get my camera off here, honestly.
With champagne or some type of liquor in it. So you walking bourbon?
Yeah.
Bourbon is, they said go, I know they said go out some way and then make a left or something.
I thought it was go down to that street right there and then go right. No? Y'all getting chicken? Oh. I thought y'all came in here for the chicken. I'm like, we about to go eat on the thing. I'm getting the whip. No, they getting hurricanes. I don't know if I want to have nothing on my face. Every time I go to edit, I'll be like, what was that on my face? Why was my lip gloss looking crusty? So let me just take the time to do that. Watch her start dancing. What I say? I'm doing the same thing. We are family. You have to dance to every fucking beat. Okay, sir. Ain't they just so cute? Ain't they just so cute? Happy 10-year anniversary. Thank you. That's that real love. That's that real love. What? Yes, give it to me. I'm searching for real love. Yes. She get her twerk on. More power. I'm about to get it right now. Is she performing? So they decided they wanted to still go out and like hang out, but your girl was like, stick a fork in me, I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the room. I'm gonna go chill. Y'all do what y'all wanna do. Live your dream, but catch me in the AM. You feel me? Because I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm full, my back hurts. I'm done, I'm over it. Okay, so let's try again tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm about to shower, y'all. Go to motherfucking sleep. So good night.
It's the
night of your life, girl, put on your pretty ass dress. It's the night of your life, girl, you gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.